Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G23. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and select Add to Wallet. Now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. Go back and now select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.